In this video, I'll show you how to go live on YouTube from your phone. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys? My name is Kyle from GuideWise. What you want to do is open YouTube, tap the plus sign at the bottom, scroll until you find live. You can then choose some settings. You can flip your camera, you can put your mic on and off, your camera on and off, or have your phone in portrait or landscape. You can also find more settings by clicking the pen in the bottom right corner. You can change your title. Your visibility can be public or unlisted. You can also select your audience, go live together and invite guests, add a description, location, or schedule for later. Once you have completed all of your settings, you can then tap next. Is it made for kids? Yes or no. Next again. You are then ready to go live. And we are now live. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.